Alright. Okay, folks, I'm going to have to speak up a little louder than normal here. Apparently, my normal microphone is not working, so it is basically taking the microphone from my crappy webcam that I have. But hey, this is Dreaming Crow coming back, and I know it's been a couple weeks since I've done a video here. I am doing an unboxing video here today, so I'm going to be talking about this product that I bought a little bit ago, actually a couple weeks ago, and where you can get one yourself if you'd like to. Okay, be giving you a couple websites for that, and with that, let's go ahead and get into it. Of course, if you are new to my channel, I do recommend that you subscribe to my channel. Give me a couple of weeks here still. I'm still trying to get used to this third shift job thing. I've been doing for about 10 weeks now, and but I do have a new line of videos coming out that I'm planning on doing called follow along videos for any of you who are new to my channel. You're having a little bit of a problem conducting the rituals yourself, and you have more questions than answers. I'm going to start doing a follow along series where I will be performing the ritual, and for you basically, and then all you simply have to do is there's going to be pauses in the video where you're going to insert your own invocation or your own invocation intents or any stuff like that you want to do. There's going to be periods for visualization and whatnot. All you need to do is pause the video during that time, do whatever needs to be done, continue to hit play at that point, and that way I take care of everything. I'm going to be taking care of doing the ritual, pronouncing the words, all the basic invocations, stuff like that. So it's gonna be kind of like a long process. So I kind of have to, cut and paste stuff, and we'll see how it goes. I'll probably be doing like some of the basic rituals at first, like the sword banishing, the magical cash book, the master protection ritual, and maybe one or two others after that. After I get a couple of them out and I have a feel for everything, I'll start doing other ones at that point and see what kind of response I get. If everything's great, I'll keep going. I don't know if I'm going to be doing a lot of the more complex rituals, but we'll have to see what happens here. Alright, so of course, if you are a subscriber to my channel, though, I do appreciate you coming back and taking a look at what I am presenting here today. By all means, hit that notification bell down below. Select that. You will be included, my channel will be included onto your favorites, and of course anytime I put a new video out, you will be alerted to that. Alright, so this product comes from JS and Barbie Garrett. Okay, I did get this off of jsgarrett.com, and this is the unboxing for the Suhn'Tal'Ock coin and abundance blowing powder. So let me go ahead and get this box opened up here. I'm going to explain to you a little bit of who Suhn'Tal'Ock is, and how you can use this item in your favor, where you can get it, and so on and so forth, as soon as I get something that I can cut this box open with. I guess keys will work here. Maybe not. Holy smokes. How about with this? Yeah. I think the type of glue they used on that, I don't even think Superman could like open that crap. Holy smokes. Alright, let's see what we got in here, folks. We got pouch. And of course, again, when you purchase this type of item from jsgarrett.com, they will of course provide you with instructions on how to use the item in the process. Usually they also do a good job about providing you with like video feed of them making your product, or if it had to be consecrated or anything like that, they usually provide you with a video feed or a link to that in your purchase description. I think I was supposed to get one of those, but I haven't quite looked at it yet. Alright, so that's what's in the lovely sparkly purple package. Alright, so you get a basic instructions here on how to use the coin and the blowing powder, and front and back. Gives you a little bit of information about who Suntalaq is, and it looks like consecration video was emailed to you before your package shipped. If you have not received this email, please check your spam folders. I'll have to do that. Another little pouch. This looks to be the blowing powder. Yes. Stick that off to the side there, and this is going to be the coin. Now when they do this, they do a ritual that involves over the course of many days, and that's the back side. That is the blood consecration there that is on the coin, as well as the front of the coin, if you can see that right there. Sigil for Suntalaq. Let me give you a little bit of information about Suntalaq there, for those of you who are not familiar with him. He is, this is a general that is under the ranks of Azazel. Okay, he does appear and is described in the Book of Azazel, written by E.A. Koetting. If you have the Complete Works of E.A. Koetting, his sigil appears on page 575. Okay. As one of Azazel's strongest leaders, and he also possesses not only the knowledge but also the power and the resources to raise an empire out of nothing and to increase it exponentially and limitlessly. It is said that Suhn'Tal'Ock existed long before the Infernal Empire, while many of the legions were brought into existence after the empire had flourished, and that it was through his abilities alone, combined with Azazel's grand vision, that brought the whole of the Infernal Empire into existence. Suhn'Tal'Ock can do the same for the evoker, taking the raw visions of the summoner and bringing them to life in the world. Once the process of building your own empire in the world has begun, repetitive evocations of Suhn'Tal'Ock will help you expand your empire into in every conceivable manner. Okay, the coin is consecrated with a multi-sacrificial ritual performed by both G.S. Garrett and Barbie Garrett, in which they summon forth Suhn'Tal'Ock and ask him to infuse the coins with his power and energies in order to bring wealth, prestige, and abundance into the reality of all those who possess one. A few things you can use this for is to amplify your sales at work, and in combination with the powder, which can either be placed in your pocket, purse, or shoes. So if you're like into sales, carrying this and using the blowing powder in conjunction with this can definitely help you in increasing your sales, whether that be real estate or anything else. Helps you destroy any enemy that may be sabotaging your career, can help your boss to like you more, can help to remove blockages in obtaining promotions or raises, helps create productive atmospheres, creates wealth and abundance, and a lot more possibilities. You can use the blowing powder for endless possibilities as well, not just a coin. When I purchased this, there was an introductory offer going on for $99, folks. Just to let you know, the regular price of this is $249. I did check jsgarrett.com just recently. They still have the introductory offer going on. I'm telling you folks, this stuff is not going to last very long. When I ordered this and I got my email saying that they received my order and that they were preparing it, they literally had well over 300 orders, probably just for this item alone. All right, it was freaking crazy how many of these they sold at the cost of $99. We don't know how long they're going to have it on there for that price, but by all means, if this is something that you want, I highly recommend you go to jsgarrett.com and pick one up. Suhn'Tal'Ock, again, I just read what the demon's abilities are. Whether you're a right-hand path practitioner or left-hand path practitioner, if you don't have Suhn'Tal'Ock helping you out with your money and abundance and wealth and prosperity, you are losing out, folks. All right, because literally, I mean, like if you're an artist, I don't care if you're doing like painting or music art or anything like that, or you're a writer, literally he will help you become known. I mean, that is part of that's what he does. He helps you not only in building wealth and abundance, but in helping you build prestige and becoming known. I've read a lot of stuff and heard a lot of stuff about people who they had like a failing business. I know J.S. Garrett does a ritual with the Suhn'Tal'Ock. If you want a ritual done for you, not certain on the price. I want to say it's like $1,800, maybe $1,900 for something like that. You'll have to check out the website. If you don't have the cost or the pocket money to be able to have him do a ritual service for you, this is probably your next best thing. Okay, because honestly, I've heard of situations where people have had a failing like pool business. They have the ritual service done for them, and now they got orders coming in left and right, and their business was able to become well known and get well established because of Suhn'Tal'Ock. Okay, so again, you don't have to be an artist. If you're just a salesperson, real estate, anything that you may have in mind. I don't care if you own a nail salon or a restaurant or whatever. Get Suhn'Tal'Ock on your side to help you out, because you will see a big difference in the wealth and prosperity and prestige that is going to come your way by having him help you. Okay, so again, I don't care if you're right hand path. Look into this. Get this. I highly recommend it. Also, not just I also want to give a big shout out to Elena Lemmy. Okay, Elena Lemmy is the one who makes these coins for JS and Barbie Garrett, who consecrate them. Okay, Elena Lemmy has a website on Etsy. It's called LimitlessLiberation. Okay, look it up. I'm going to have a description of that in the link to the description in the description box below, along with the website for jsgarrett.com. Elena Lemmy has she puts out wonderful products. I mean, like I said, this is just one of those. She does custom work. I highly recommend you go check her out at her Etsy store, Limitless Liberation. Okay, and great girl, awesome quality products, and I feel very honored to be able to recommend her products to my subscribers, as well as anybody who happens to come upon this video. So with that, folks, I'm going to call this video pretty much done at this point. That's about the only thing I have here. I am going to have to do a short ritual here in order to get say attached or connected with this coin, and that's pretty much going to be going into my wallet at that point. And as the days and months and weeks develop, I'll keep you informed, how well things are going. So with that, folks, and without further ado, I thank you for stopping by and watching this unboxing video. Again, check out jsgarrett.com and LimitlessLiberation at etsy.com. And with that, I bid you all a very fond farewell and infernal blessings. Take care. Bye.